10 ways to be happier and live a more fulfilling life. Like I promised, the series has started. When you make an intentional choice every day to worry less, you will live a happier, more fulfilling life. The impact of our own lives most times trickles down to those surrounding us. Don't get caught up so much with life that you forget to enjoy the things that truly matter. Number one for today is finding your purpose. Now, if you would do one thing without receiving a paycheck for the rest of your life, what would it be? Now, question yourself on why your goals are so important. If you're going to be doing something that you're not going to be paid for the rest of your life, what do you think that would be? I know you've been hearing this a lot. Look within yourself, find your talents, find your passion, find what word needs, and align your strength with the need, and see how you can be a problem solver while making a meaningful difference doing it. We hear that a lot and we don't take it to heart, but it actually works. Look within. Number two, be present in the moment. Time is the currency of life, and you're only allowed to enjoy it for a limited period. It's so easy to get caught up worrying about the future that you forget to enjoy the simple pleasures of life. I know we've all been there. You're traveling on a train or on a bus, for those of us in Lagos, but you're deep in thought. Your mind is constantly wandering and contemplating the things you need to get done. Relax, just relax. Worrying about the unknown will only make you anxious. Training your mind to be present helps you appreciate the time you presently have and enjoy every single moment of it. Three, create meaningful connections. Human beings are highly social creatures that thrive from other human beings' company. Surrounding yourself with those you genuinely care for can have numerous benefits for you as a person. Because social connections can help you cope with anxiety and sadness, can also enable you to be more emotionally intelligent. It can increase your self-esteem and empathy, and it can even boost your immune system. I didn't know that. Dedicating time to make meaningful connections can have understated benefits that will be great for your overall fulfillment in life. Number one is to find your purpose. Number two, be present in the moment. And number three is to create meaningful connections. Stay tuned for the next episode. See you in my next video and abento.